My question is, in life, how can we create a balance between need and want?
You don't know your preferences? Huh? What do you truly need? Truly need is some clothing to cover yourself. If your parents are well off, you can ask them to get you good clothing. If they are well off, they can get you good food. Otherwise, the minimum requirement is the food a human being should need. And above that, if you say that, no, I will not take whatever is cooked here in my house, whether it is a vegetable or some dal or something, and I would like to eat Nando's, otherwise I will not eat, that is not good, right? He said there should be contentment in your heart, right? If you are contented, that is the main thing. That one is your requirement for your body nourishment, your food. To cover yourself, your dress. To get better education, your schooling. Other than that, if you say, no, I will not go to the public school or government school, if I don't get admission in private school, I will not study, that is not right. If you demand something which is beyond the capacity of your parents, is wrong. Right? So you have to be contented. Right?